So E.B. Tyler is considered the father of cultural anthropology. So he gave the definition of the culture as a whole, which includes knowledge, belief, art, moral, laws, custom and any other capabilities and habits of man and woman as a member of the society, and his special interest of focus was religion. So founder of cultural anthropology, E.B. Tyler, he was father of anthropology. So he is an anthropologist, he was an English anthropologist from 1932 to 1972, he is from London, UK. So E.B. Tyler from London, UK. So 1932 to 1917. So the father of anthropology is from UK, E.B. Tyler from UK. So literally contribution, Mexico and Mexican and ancient and modern. Comparative, so it's a comparative way of writing, that is Mexico, Mexican, ancient and modern. Research into early history of mankind and development of the civilization 1965. Primitive culture 1861. There is a concept of evolution of the culture. History charts. Anthropology and introduction to the study of the man's civilization 1861. A method of investigating the development of the institution applied the laws of marriage and descent in 1889. What are the contribution of E.B. Tyler? Definition of the culture, methodology of study, that is rethinking method, historical approach and comparative approach. The rethinking method is used by thinking as a primitive man ought to be thinking. Then cultural history, origin of religion, definition of soul is given by E.B. Tyler. So culture he defined as a whole, which include knowledge, beliefs, arts, moral, law, custom and any other capabilities and habits acquired by the man and woman as a member of the society. So Tyler, he was a British and he tried to see culture as a whole. That is, culture as a whole means there is a culture as a whole include knowledge, beliefs, arts, morals, laws, custom, other capabilities and habits acquired by the man as a member of the society. Then Fraser also British, and his main focus was on religion. And Tyler main focus was on religion and marriage. And then Morgan, he was American and the focus was kinship. So he is from UK, James Fraser. So he is from Glasgow, UK. So James Fraser from Glasgow, UK. And his main focus was on religion. James Fraser focus was on religion. So Fraser major focus was on religion. He is from UK, James Fraser. This is Louis Henry Morgan, and he is from USA. He is from USA from 1880 to 1881. So he is a Louis Henry Morgan from USA. As major focus was on kinship. So E.B. Tyler is known for defining things. He tried to arrange culture in historical phrases, and hence practice of writing cultural history became popular. So practice of writing cultural history became popular because of the contribution of E.B. Tyler. So we have seen one of the contribution of E.B. Tyler is cultural history. That is, he tried to arrange culture in a historical phrases, and practice of writing cultural history became popular. Then Fraser was instrumental in attracting a number of anthropologists. James Fraser, a historically important set of work. He has written the Golden Bough. So Fraser has written Golden Bough. So James Fraser was born in Glasgow, UK, 1854 to 1941. So he is James Fraser. So he has written a very important work, Golden Bough. So Golden Bough by James Fraser. So he wrote extensively on topics of religion and magic. He tried to tell that how religion as an institution originated, magic to religion to science. So Morgan extended culture history given by Tyler, added more details to the cultural history. So cultural history is given by Tyler and Morgan added to that. So James George Fraser, he was a Scottish anthropologist with the James George Fraser, and he is Louis H. Morgan. So extended cultural history, that is written by E.B. Tyler. So E.B. Tyler wrote cultural history, that is extended by Louis H. Morgan.